Welcome to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, a camper's paradise. Are you ready to explore? In this guide, we'll cover essential camping items and safety tips for encountering black bears. Before heading to the park, make sure to pack these essential camping items. A sturdy tent, a warm sleeping bag, and a reliable camping stove are must-haves. Don't forget your water filter, hiking boots, and a first aid kit for emergencies. If you encounter a black bear while camping, remember to stay calm. Make yourself look bigger and slowly back away. Never approach or feed a bear. Carry bear spray and know how to use it. It could save your life. Thank you for watching our guide to camping in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Remember to pack the essential items and follow safety tips when encountering black bears. Enjoy your camping trip.